How to clean shower tiles and grout. 8 DIY techniques plus best shower tile cleaners. Soap scum, hard water stains, mold in your grout. If you've scrubbed for hours and barely made a dent, the problem isn't your effort, it's your method. Today, 8 proven DIY techniques to get your shower tiles and grout spotless, plus the best commercial cleaners if you need extra power. Quick context, showers stay damp, and that combo of hard water minerals, soap scum, body oils, and poor airflow is exactly what mold and mildew love. Once you know the cause, the fix makes a lot more sense.
Technique 1. Vinegar. Equal parts white vinegar and warm water. Spray, let it sit 10 to 15 minutes, scrub, rinse, dry. Never use on natural stone. It etches marble and travertine. Technique 2. Baking soda. A thick paste of baking soda and water. Apply to grout, wait 10 minutes, scrub, rinse. Gentle enough not to scratch, strong enough to pull grime out of grout pores. Technique 3. Vinegar and baking soda combo. Sprinkle baking soda first. Spray undiluted vinegar over it. It fizzes instantly. Let that reaction work 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub while it's still active. Technique 4. No scrub method. Warm 1 cup of vinegar, mix with a cup of dish soap. Spray generously. Leave it 30 to 60 minutes for heavy buildup up to 2 hours. Then just rinse. The grime slides right off.
Technique 5. Natural, no chemicals. 3 options here. Lemon dipped in salt, scrubbed directly on tile. Hydrogen peroxide sprayed on and left 10 to 15 minutes. Or tea tree oil in water for a natural antifungal spray. Technique 6. Deep grout cleaning. Mix oxygen bleach powder with hot water, apply to grout, let it soak 15 to 30 minutes, then scrub. For black mold specifically, straight hydrogen peroxide works fast, but never mix bleach with vinegar or ammonia. Technique 7. Cleaning a full walk-in shower. Pre-rinse with hot water to open the grout pores. Work walls top to bottom first, then floors. They need longer dwell time. Finish with the door or curtain, then rinse everything top to bottom toward the drain. Technique 8. Targeting specific stains. Hard water spots need a vinegar-soaked cloth pressed on for 30 minutes. Rust responds to lemon juice and salt. Soap scum needs the vinegar dish soap spray. Mold needs straight hydrogen peroxide.
Best commercial cleaners. If natural methods aren't cutting it, a few commercial options actually work well. Zep for stained grout, Tilex for active mold, CLR for hard water and rust, Method daily shower spray, soft scrub with bleach cleaner gel, and OxyClean when you want to brighten grout without bleach. Maintenance and mistakes. To keep tiles clean longer, squeegee after every shower. Run your exhaust fan and reseal grout every 6 to 12 months. And avoid the big mistakes. Never mix bleach with vinegar. Never use steel wool, and never let the cleaner dry on the surface before rinsing it off. So that's all 8 ways to get your shower tiles and grout truly clean, naturally or with a little extra help. Pick the method that fits your mess. If you want a new floor refresh, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you in the next one.